Why Parrot can't keep a secret.
Why Parrot can't keep a secret.
Jumbo Parrot.
But you see, there was a time when Parrot was the best keeper of secrets in Tinga Tinga.
So you won't tell Crocodile that you're going to pull his tail? You promise you won't tell? Is that a yes or a no?
Parrot couldn't open his beak, so the animals didn't mind if Parrot overheard their secrets because he never said a word.
Bye-bye, Parrot.
Wiry.
Poor Parrot.
1, 2, 3, 4. Now what comes after 4? Let me try again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Parrot. Parrot! Parrot doesn't come after 4. What are you doing there, Parrot? You should have said something. Oh, sorry, Parrot. You can't say something. Silly me. Big head, see? Tiny brain. Don't tell anyone, but I'm trying to teach myself counting. It's our little secret.
Wanyama! Animals! Animals!
That's Lion. He sounds angry. Come on.
Where is everyone? I want every beast here.
I'm coming, Your Majesty. I'm coming. What is it? Oh, my goodness.
Some beast has stolen my mane. This is not nature's way. Does anyone know who took it?
No.
Who would dare do such a thing? Shocking!
No one has seen anything?
We haven't seen anything.
We haven't seen anything. No.
How can I be king without my mane?
Your Majesty, we will search the entire land until we find your mane.
We will search treetops and the water holes.
We will check in every burrow. And we will look under every rock.
Come on.
We'll find it.
Your Majesty,
Please don't look at me like this.
don't worry. We will find your mane.
Thank you, Leopard. Asante. Such a beautiful cat, Leopard, with such beautiful spots. Maybe she won't like me anymore. But that's just between you and me, Parrot. Not a word.
Nothing up here.
Dearie me, nothing in the treetops. Meerkat, can you see anything?
Nothing on the plains, but always on the lookout. Bark, can you see anything?
Nothing underground.
This is not good. This is not good at all.
I've never seen Lion so angry. Do you think Lion was angry?
Yes, he was really angry.
Oops. Sorry, Tortoise.
Well, if you ask me, Lion looked quite plain without his mane.
Peacock, you shouldn't say things like that. Some beast could hear you.
Funny how you take away the mane, you take away the king.
Parrot's right there.
Oh, don't worry about Parrot. Parrot can't tell anyone anything. Can't open his beak.
I stole Lion's mane while he was snoring underneath a tree.
How does it look?
Oh, it suits you, hyena. Oh, sorry, I mean, Your Majesty.
You look quite the king.
It is nature's way, my friends. I am the new king of Tinga Tinga.
Let me try. Hyena, it's Parrot. He has seen us.
Don't worry about Parrot. He won't tell anyone.
He can't tell anyone. I want a go. Give me a go.
No. Let's hide the mane. Then we can all be king. Crocodile, come here. There you go.
No one will ever find it.
Without his mane, Lion can't be king.
We don't want Lion to be king ever again.
No.
Let's hide in the swamps. Oh, and Parrot, keep your beak shut.
Here, keep looking, keep looking.
Sorry, Parrot, I can't understand you.
Sorry. Keep looking, keep looking.
Parrot, this is no time for games. We have to find this mane.
Oh, Lion's going to stay angry forever.
Polly, sorry, Parrot, we can't understand you.
What will Lion do if we can't find his mane?
I don't know. Let's have some coconut before we start looking again.
Jumbo Parrot!
Jumbo Parrot. I know. It's really hard, this coconut. Well, if you want to try and open it, Karibu, please do.
Yes, you've got a hard beak. You have a go.
Go on. You try and open it. Uh-oh. Huh? Oh.
Yes! I found the mane! I found Lion's mane!
You opened your beak.
Parrot, you opened your beak.
Say something, Parrot. Say something.
I found the mane! I know where Lion's mane is!
Well, what are we waiting for? You've got to tell Lion straight away.
Yes, let's.
Aha!
Come on. Haraka, haraka. Quickly.
I know where it is!
Oh,
Aha! In the middle of those rocks, Your Majesty! Your mane is underneath those branches!
Aha! I am King of Tinga Tinga! Parrot, I cannot thank you enough. You have done your king a great service. And do you know who stole my mane?
It was hyena and jackal and crocodile and lizard
And where are these scoundrels?
hiding in the swamp.
Hyena, jackal, lizard, crocodile. Show your faces before the king.
And they said they wanted to be king of Tinga Tinga.
Did they now? Well, we'll have to show them there is only one king of Tinga Tinga.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty.
That will teach them.
Your Majesty.
You have done extremely well, Parrot.
Thank you, Your Majesty. But there's more.
Go on.
Well, Peacock thought you looked quite plain without your mane.
Did he now?
But.
No buts, Peacock. Anything else?
Well, poor old elephant here can't, and he's too embarrassed to tell anyone.
Parrot, that was our little secret.
Elephant, why didn't you tell me? I'll help you count. That's what friends are for.
Oh, thank you, Tortoise. Asante.
Ooh, the monkeys are going to pull Crocodile's tail.
Parrot.
I'm afraid we've started something we may come to regret.
Because Crocodile can...
So you see, Parrot was so pleased to have helped Lion that he couldn't stop. And that's why Parrot can't keep a secret.
Ooh, and there's one more thing. Lion was really worried. He thought the leopard wouldn't like him anymore without his mane.
Yes, Parrot. Thank you.
oh. I'll always like Lion.
And lovely leopard and her beautiful spots Well, that's a whole other story. Why Hippo has no hair.
Phew.
I'm so hot.
That's because you are so heady.
You see, there was a time when Hippo was covered in hair. Jumbo Hippo, how's things?
Hot.
When the sun is hot, you got to keep cool.
That's all very well for you to say.
The angrier you get, the more that you will sweat. You huff and puff, you're going to lose the plot. Look at Coco's keeping still, the thing to do is chill. I know it's weird when everything's so hot. Take a nice cold shower at the very hottest hour. Have a sleep or find a shady spot. The thing is just keep loose and have a mango juice. I know it's hard when everything's so hot. You got to keep cool.
You've got to keep cool.
You got to keep cool.
You've got to keep cool.
You got to keep cool.
What's going on?
Move, hyena. You're in my shade.
Oh.
Don't even think about it, monkey.
You got to keep cool.
You got to keep cool. You got to keep cool.
Oh, this is too much.
Hippo.
Crocodile can have a swim. I'm going for a dip too.
You can't. You know what Lion says. Water is for fishes.
And now, hippos! Hot, hairy hippos!
Quietly then. Don't wake Lion.
Hippo!
Sorry, Tortoise. I didn't see you.
No beast ever does.
Quietly. This is quietly. Woo!
Hippo!
Look at me!
Kiboko! Hippopotamus! What have I told you over 100 times?
Water is for fishes?
That's right. And the odd crab and crocodile.
But why can't I live in the water?
Look at the size of you. You'd eat up all the fish.
No, I wouldn't. I don't even like fish.
Crocodile already lives there. We can't have two large hungry animals living in the same waters.
But I'm so harumphumly hot.
It's nature's way. Land is where you belong, Hippo.
Find another way to keep cool.
But...
No buts!
Oh, come.
I'm so hot.
Lion has got a point. Hippo, you're supposed to live on the land.
I think Hippo has a point. She can't just tuck inside a nice cool shell or find a shady spot under a rock.
Here you're telling me. What's more difficult than getting one hippo under a rock?
I don't know.
Getting two hippos under a rock.
Two hippos under a rock.
Tell me, monkeys, what do you do when one hot, hairy hippo has had too much sun?
I don't know.
Now I'm even hotter.
I know. I'll make some shade. Better?
No,
Better?
no,
Better?
no.
Tickbird, you're not big enough to shade even one hair on Hippo's head.
Ooh. How did you do that?
I didn't.
Jumbo, everyone!
Jumbo elephant!
Hey, what are you doing?
Trying not to be hot.
Okay, I'll not bother you then.
No. Don't move. Oh. Just there. Just stay there. Don't move a single muscle.
How long for?
Until the sun goes down.
Okay.
Right, that's it. I've had enough. I'm heading home. You two can do what you want. Just because you hot doesn't mean I am. I want to go and get some water.
Can I move now?
No, not yet. Now you can.
And you really didn't move until the sun went down.
Oh, didn't you get just a little bit bored, old friend?
Nope. Big head, see? Tiny brain. It's a bit nippy tonight.
I'm so hot.
Hippo, you can't possibly be hot now.
I am. I'm boiling. I'm not meant to be on land with all this hair. I'm really not. Ooh. Right? That's it. I'm going for a midnight swim.
Don't. You can't. Lion will be cross.
Tickbird is right. You know what Lion said?
But
no buts.
Oh. Tortoise, you're the clever one. Haven't you got any ideas?
I'm sorry, Hippo. All out of ideas today. Must be slowing down.
You slowing down? That's funny, Tortoise.
Too hot.
Come. You said too hot, too much.
But I am.
We know.
And I'm sweaty, and I'm sticky, and I'm...
Go to sleep, Hippo.
Oh.
Away from the fire.
Oh.
That's it.
Do something!
Roll, Hippo, roll!
Quick!
Yeah.
Roll over!
Hippo!
Right, that's it!
Quick! Hippo's in trouble! Quick!
Uh-oh.
Hippo, are you all right? Never been better. For the first time in ages, I don't feel hot at all. The water is so cool. Oh! Not a single hair on my hide. Oh!
Come on, Hippo. You know the rules. Water is for fishes. You can come out now, Hippo.
Come out? But I'm naked.
We're all sensible animals, aren't we, monkeys?
Please, Your Majesty, I promise I won't eat a single fish if you let me live in the water.
How can we be sure?
Every day, from this day on, I will open my mouth as wide as I can, like this. As many times a day as I possibly can. For all of you to see that I have not eaten, swallowed, or indeed harmed a single fish.
Agreed.
Looking good, Hippo.
That's it.
Look, everyone, no fishes!
Yes!
No hair to hold on to.
Stop it, Tickbird! You're tickling me!
Or slide in.
And that's why Hippo has no hair. From the night of the big fire, Hippo was allowed to live in the cool waters.
Oh, there's a tick.
Whoa!
and Tickbird and our ticks? Well, that's a whole other story. Why Squirrel gathers nuts.
Got to get those together. Excuse me, monkey. Hand over once.
But there was a time when Squirrel didn't gather nuts. Oh no, she was far too busy braiding her bushy tail. Jumbo monkeys?
Jumbo!
Is there a mango for me?
No, we can't find any more mangoes.
I'm hungry. Squirrel, do you have any nuts?
Hand over once, hand over twice. Got to look neat. Got to
Squirrel, do you have any of those yummy nuts?
Sorry, monkey, I'm too busy braiding.
Why are you always braiding a tail? Yes, why?
Got to be neat, monkey. It's got to be nice.
How do you braid?
Hand over once, hand over twice. Got to look neat. Got to look nice. Hand over once, hand over twice. Got to look neat. Got to look nice.
I want to try.
2. May 3.
Hand over once, hand over twice. Got to look neat. Got to look nice.
Hand over once, hand over twice. Got to look neat. Got to look nice.
There, all done.
That's not right.
No, that's not right at all. It's hand over once, hand over twice. Got to look neat. Oh, got to look nice. Oh, no, I'll have to start all over again. Hand over once.
Jumbo giraffe.
Jumbo giraffe. Jumbo.
Jumbo monkeys.
Can you see any mangoes up there?
No, funny that. I can't see any mangoes at all.
Jumbo, everybody.
Jumbo elephant. Jumbo tortoise.
Jumbo squirrel?
Nice. Hand over once, hand over
Oh,
twice.
too busy braiding that tail of yours to see a Jumbo, eh?
Hand over once. Jumbo tortoise, hand over twice. Got to look.
I don't know what Tinga Tinga is coming to when an animal is too busy to say good morning to an old tortoise.
Got to look neat. Got to look nice.
Has anyone seen any mangoes? I can't find any anywhere.
Me too.
Me 3.
I think we should talk to Lion. Seems like food is pretty hard to find at the moment.
Let's go.
Come on.
Oh, elephant! Help the monkeys, please.
Righto.
Thank you, elephant. Thank you, elephant. Asante.
Aren't you coming, squirrel? It's important.
I'll be there in a minute, tortoise. Got to be neat. Got to be nice.
I don't know. No mangoes in Tinga Tinga and squirrel is too busy braiding her tail to... Elephant! Monkeys!
Got to look
Wait for me!
Ooh, Squirrel, what's pretty braiding?
Oh, thank you, Spider. Asante. Oh, you know how it is. Got to be neat. Got to look nice.
Oh, I know. I can't bear it if one thread on my web is broken.
There. Perfect.
You know, Squirrel, I could weave some flowers into your tail if you like. Add that finishing touch.
Would you?
It would be my pleasure.
Well, now you mentioned it, I can't find any truffle.
And there are hardly any termites.
No worms either. This is not good. This is not good.
And we ate the last mango.
Oh no, was that the last mango? Did you eat the last mango in the whole of Tinga Tinga forever and ever?
Easy, elephant, easy. Bees?
There's no honey left, no honey. There's not enough food.
And what about the nut situation? Where is Squirrel?
She's braiding her bushy tail down by the mango tree.
When there is no food?
No food, no food. What am I going to do? What am I going to do?
Calm down, elephant. Everything will be okay.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Now, animals, listen. This is a time when we must all work together. Food is short, but together we can find enough food for everyone. Isn't that right, ants?
Together we can do anything. Together. Pamoja. Together, pamoja, together.
That's the spirit. If we all make an effort, there will be enough food for everyone. Now, go. Look under every leaf. Look under every rock.
Together.
Pamoja. Together, pamoja, together.
Together. Pamoja.
Together, Pamoja, together.
A banana.
Together is Pamoja. There's nothing we can't do.
Together, Pamoja. Together,
Pamoja. Together. Together.
Together.
Together.
Hand over once, hand over twice. Got to look neat, got to look nice. Hand over once,
Together.
hand over
Pamoja.
twice.
Squirrel, spider, all the animals are searching for food.
Be with you in a minute. Got to be neat, got to be nice.
Unbelievable.
Hand over once, hand over twice. Got to look neat, got to look nice.
Very impressive, very impressive.
some worms.
A Nenka.
3 bananas. Pondweed. And 2 ticks.
Congratulations, animals. Enough food for everybody. Where is Squirrel?
Well, the last time I saw Squirrel, Spider was braiding flowers into her tail.
When every beast is searching for food?
Mm-hmm.
In times of trouble, animals must work together. This is not the time to weave fancy flowers into bushy tails. Now, everyone, cover up the food.
But.
No buts. Squirrel must learn. Kidiri, Squirrel.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Squirrel and Spider, have you brought food for us?
Well, no, not exactly, Your Majesty. You see, Squirrel's tail came undone and looked a complete mess.
Oh, got to be neat, got to be nice, Your Majesty.
But we have no food.
No food?
No. No food at all.
No food? No, dear. Nothing at all.
Not a single leaf.
No food.
Oh. Do you have any food for us to eat? A nut, maybe?
2 or 3 nuts.
I'm terribly sorry. I didn't realise. I haven't got anything.
Except a very pretty tail.
Oh, forget the tail. There isn't any food. No food for anyone. Oh, dear. I must find a nut. I've got it. Got it. Oh, there we are, Your Majesty. Yes. Oh, just a minute. I've got to find
I love nuts.
Shh, elephant. Spider?
Oh, of course, Your Majesty. I'll spin a web and catch some flies right away.
I must find a nut. I must find lots of nuts. Where are they? Come on.
Well, Squirrel can be quite useful when she's not braiding her tail.
There.
Better late than never, Squirrel.
Can't have animals going hungry, Your Majesty.
Precisely.
Must find a nut. Where are they? Catch some flies, Spider, quick. All the animals are hungry.
There aren't any flies.
Then must gather nuts.
Squirrel, your tail. Your tail's gone all bushy.
Oh, forget the tail. Forget the silly tail.
But got to be neat. Got to be tidy.
Got to gather nuts. Got to find nuts.
That's enough, Squirrel. You can slow down now.
Oh, no, I can't, Your Majesty. Got to gather nuts. Got to find nuts.
Squirrel, it's okay.
Yes, Squirrel, look.
Squirrel, dear, the nuts are wonderful, but look. We did all find a bit of food, but we can never have too much food. A nut. Must find lots of nuts. Must find a nut.
Squirrel! Stop!
That's enough.
That's enough, Squirrel.
That's enough.
Well, I don't think we'll be running out of food again for quite some time.
Got to gather nuts. Got to find nuts.
And that's why Squirrel gathers nuts. In fact, from that day on, she gathered nuts all day, every day.
That's lucky because I love nuts.
Spider, have you caught any fly food yet?
Oh, no, sorry, Your Majesty. Nothing yet.
And Spider and her web? Oh, well, that's a whole other story. Cheza, cheza, come on, dance. Imba, imba, come on, sing. Shuka, shuka, shake it down. Woo-hoo. Ruka, ruka, jump around.